back to my channel. So today we're going to try some different ways to transfer images to another base. So this is paper, this is canvas or a canvas board. Let's start with this little picture I made. I'm going to show you a little time lapse of the creation. I saw this artist on TikTok do this design on a piece of glass and I thought, why not do it digital? So that's what I did. But for now I'm going to prep this. I'm going to cut this out. So this was printed on my normal printer. It's an inkjet. And I saw this method on YouTube. It was a while ago. I don't know where I saw it, but I wanted to try it. So let's put some tape on the canvas. So this took a little bit. I really wanted to be in the center. And I'm taping it because I want to add a border. But I don't even know if this is going to work because this is the pouring medium I have. And this is what they said you could use. This was just printed about half an hour ago. And I'm going to put some pouring medium on here. So I don't know how much to do, but I think they said to use quite a bit. Not sure if that's enough, maybe a little bit more. It's really, really thin. So let's just see if this is going to work. So it's pretty wet. As you can see, my ring light is reflecting in it. And I'm just going to put this on top. Okay. Oh. So I really want it to be smooth because now I'm going to get rimples. I don't have anything to push it with. I didn't think ahead. I just thought, let's go. But that wasn't too smart. Oh boy. Okay, let's just... I'm not sure if it's savable. I think it's not wet enough because it's not moving. I think we're probably gonna have to try again because it's just not sticking. Oh no, that's not working. It's not wet enough at all. As you can see, just not wet enough. Let's just go over this. Can't be any worse, I guess. Oh, let's get it really, really wet. I really think this medium is just too thin because you need to be able to smooth the paper out. Well, let's try this again. I don't think it's going to work, but at least we tried. At least it's going down flat this time. I'm just noticing I put it the wrong way around. It's okay, we'll just try again if it doesn't work. I'm just gonna add some to the top as well. Maybe that will help. It's not supposed to dry, it's supposed to sit for about 3 minutes.
1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, ha ha ha.
So it's been 3 minutes and well, let's just see what we get. So that didn't work at all. I'm going to try and save this, or at least use it. So I've got this deco glue. It's a glue and varnish. And I'm just going to pour this on. Probably way too much. I'm just gonna spread it out on top of what's already there. I don't think it's going to matter that much. And I already thought this was going to happen because the products in the Netherlands are just so different from what's in the States. The most things you see on the internet are done with those products that are in the USA. We just cannot get them, or the ingredients aren't the same. So let's see if you can still use this. I'm just going to hopefully put it on correctly. So what I'm doing is just the second method I tried before with some wood. I don't know if it's going to work with canvas. You want to push it down, but I don't want to rip the paper. So it's the next day and I'm not sure if we saved it, but let's just try. If not, I'll just try something else. So I'm just going to put some lightly warmed water on here and let that soak in for a little bit. So I'm not putting on a lot. And I'm just looking at if it turns a little bit of a darker color. That means it's going soft, the paper. And then I'll just try and remove it. I think it's going to be quite difficult because I made the mistake of putting the glue on the top as well because I had it on my fingers. So it could be that it's not gonna work, but let's just try. They said you could use an old toothbrush to get the paper off, but I don't think it's going to come off. I think I put too much of the glue on. So let's just try add some more water, see if we can get the paper to dissolve. So as you can see, it's not working. It didn't adhere to the canvas. Let's just try. Or maybe that was just an air pocket. Because this is looking quite promising. You can see the paper coming off on the sponge. So we might have something we can work with. I think if you scrub too hard, you go too deep and you take off too much. So I'm going to try and get most of it off and see what it looks like when it's dry. And well, maybe we can still make this work. So I took most of the paper off and you can see in some areas it didn't work as well as expected. But I think it's still usable. So let's peel the tape off and see what the sides look like. So as expected, it's not perfect, but I think it gives it a lot of character. So what I'm going to be doing is putting some more of this deco glue on top and see how it looks then. And if I want to correct any of the colors, I think I'll still like it. I'll show you this in the end when it's done. And this is how it turned out. I did end up doing a couple of things to it. For example, I used some black acrylic paint to fix the eyes. For the other parts, I used some watercolor pencils. And to finish it off, I just added another coat of varnish. I really love how it turned out, but I think I can do better. So watch out for a next video in this series, where I try another technique based on glue. So thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Bye everyone!